Hello, and welcome to the ZeppOS Essentials virtual walkthrough. We'll be going over some of the basic terms you will encounter while using your website, as well as covering how to log into the ZeppOS system, how to create a new page, and how to start editing your content. Before we begin, I encourage you to shed any preconceived ideas of managing your website. What we're about to show you is new, easy, intuitive, and revolutionary. This is a new paradigm of website management. Anyone, even you, can do it. To start with, let's go over a few key terms you've probably already heard, but don't quite know what they mean. Design. Design is defined as the look and feel of your website that stays consistent no matter what page of the website you are on. Content. Content is the text, images, and the media that differs from one page to the next. ZeppOS. ZeppOS is an application that enables you to manage your website with ease. We will be demonstrating the most essential functions of ZeppOS throughout the rest of this video. Login. You'll find that logging into ZeppOS is simple and yet secure. Before you attempt to log into ZeppOS, you need 3 important pieces of information. 1. Your website's address. 2. Your ZeppOS username. And 3. Your ZeppOS password. To start, open your preferred web browser. For this example, we will be using Microsoft's Internet Explorer. Once your browser is open, use your mouse and your delete button on your keyboard to clear the web browser's address bar. Now type in your website's address into the blank address bar. Make sure to include a / after your address. You now need to type in _ADMIN /. By pressing the enter button on your keyboard or pressing the go button on your browser, the login page loads. Once the login page is open, enter your username and password into the provided fields. ZeppOS logins are case sensitive, so make sure your login credentials are exact. Now click Submit button. If your username and password are correct, you are taken to the ZeppOS control panel. Otherwise, you need to re-enter your username and password correctly. There is a Forgot Password feature which can notify you by email of your password. Creating a page. Now that you've successfully logged into ZeppOS, you can create a new page on your website. Let's go to the control panel. To do so, look for the control panel link and click on it. The control panel contains all the ZeppOS tools and are split into intuitive categories for you to manage all aspects of your site. To create a new page, we will be using the Site Structure tool in the Content area. So click the content image, and when the next page loads, click on the Site Structure tool. Inside the Site Structure tool, you are able to see your live menu pages and your site pages. At the top of this section, there is an Add New Page button. Click this. You are now prompted for a parent page and a page name. If this is to be a subpage of another page, you can select its parent page here. Otherwise, leave it as the default root. Your page name should be relatively short. When you're done, click the Submit button and your page is created. It is now listed in the site pages. When you are ready to put in your main menu, you can use the green arrow buttons to move it to the main pages like so. Editing your content. To edit the content on any page, you must first be logged in. Then navigate to the page and use the edit buttons to change your content. Simply click one of the edit buttons and an editor appears with the content that was inside. Now you can type your text in and have a slew of options to add images, media, or format your text. Here are a few examples of what you can do. Type and format your content. Add an image. Use default text styles. Once you have completed this, simply click on your Save button and you can view your completed changes. Thank you for taking the time to learn ZeppOS Essentials. We encourage you to explore the ZeppOS interface and learn more about this powerful but easy-to-use system.